بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا إله إلا الله له الملك وله الحمد يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير أشهد لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله الذي جاءنا بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون قوله تعالى ألف لام ميم ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة مما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. In today's video, I will surround my words about those verses that I have read. Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim. It is a silent letter whereby only God knows its meaning. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابِ. In this Quran, لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ. There is no doubt in this Quran. So everything that is in this Quran, it is from allahu, tabaraka, taala. Huda lil muttaqin. It is a guidance to those who are conscious in allahu, tabaraka, taala. It is a guidance to those Muslims. It is a guidance to those with faith. Yani ataqwa hahuna. The faith, that piety is in the heart. Fear of Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, its location, it is in the heart. Alladhina yu'minuna bil ghaib, those who believe in unseen. Wa yuqimuna salat, and they pray 5 times a day. Wa mimma razaqnahum yunfikun, and from what we gave them, they give out that portion to purify themselves. وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِنْ قَبْلِكَ وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ, and those who believe in what was revealed to the prophet. This is a main point. وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِنْ قَبْلِكَ, and they believe in what was revealed before. وَبِالْآخِرَةِ هُمْ يُوقِنُونَ, and they have faith in the day of hereafter. أُولَٰئِكَ عَلَىٰ هُدًى مِنْ رَبِّهِمْ, those are the ones with a proper guidance from Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. وَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ, and those are the ones who will be successful. The main thing here in this video, I'll be talking about how a Muslim should strengthen his faith. Faith, it means al-iman, يعني al-iman billahi wa malaikati wa kutubihi wa rusli wa bil yawmil akhir wa bil qadari al-khair wa shar. Believing in Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, believing in his books, believing in his angels, believing in his prophets, believing in the day of judgment, believing in God's predestination, God's power, God's qadari. Like Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala says, the first thing he created on this earth, it is a pen, and he told that pen, iktub makadir kulli shay'in hatta taquma sa'a. Write everything, write every predestination, write every decision of everything until the day of judgment. Do you get my point out there? So if you're to strengthen your belief, the first thing you should do is strengthening your faith in Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. The first thing, ma'rifatullah, knowing who is Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. Allahu la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyu al-qayyum. Yani Allahu, God is Allah. La ilaha, there is no any other God. Illa huwa, apart from him. Al-hayyu, the one who is the one with life, the one who is alive. Al-qayyum, and complete. Do you get my point out there? What do I mean? La ilaha illallah. Yani everything you see is under allahu tabaraka wa taala. Yusabbihu lahu lillahi ma fi samawati wa ma fi al-ard wa huwa al-azizul hakim. Everything praises Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala from heaven and the earth, and he is the most powerful, and he is the one with hikmah. He is wise and he is the judge of everything. He is not blamed about what he did. When he's going to do something, he does not first ask someone. He does not do that, like, you see the other one has done this, let me also do that. Do you get my point out there? You should keep these, like in faith. If you're to strengthen your faith, then you should strengthen your faith about the first thing you should do. You should know that you are on truth as a Muslim. Inna dina indallahi al-Islam. The right religion from Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala is Islam. Fatawakkal ala Allahi innaka ala al-haqqil mubin. Be patient with Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. Lean all your problems to Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. Worship Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala alone, that truly you're on a right path. If you can keep that into your mind, that you're on a right path, if you can know who is Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, al-hayyul qayyum, yani everything is under Allah's will, everything is under Allah's predestination. Do you get my point out there? So you should strengthen your faith about three things about Tawheed. You should be strong in Tawheed. Tawheed means the oneness of God. Believing in Allahu tabaraka wa ta'ala. You believe that you were created under His will. You believe that nothing you will have apart from Allahu tabaraka wa ta'ala, apart from Allah's signatory. وَمَا تَشَاءُونَ إِلَّا أَن يَشَاءَ اللَّهُ. You will not like anything apart from when God likes. وَمَا تَشَاءُونَ إِلَّا أَن يَشَاءَ اللَّهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ حَكِيمٌ عَلِيمٌ حَكِيمٌ. Truly, God knows, He is with knowledge, and He is the judge. Do you get my point out there? You keep those things into your mind. You get three things into your mind. Tawheed. Tawheed is divided in three things: al-rububiyya, al-uluhiyya, al-asma'u was-sifat. Rububiyya is Tawheed of creation. You believe that everything was created by Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. Uluhiyya, you believe that God is the only one to be worshipped. Asma wa sifat, you believe that in God's attributes. You believe in all God's names, like Al-Hayyul Qayyum, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. You believe that God has faith, is the most faithful and the most gracious. Do you get my point out there? You believe in everything, every name that God called Himself. That means that is all about Qadha. After doing all those things, then you shape well your ways of worshipping Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. Put yourself in if like, look at the way Prophet Muhammad worshipped his Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. Look at the way the Sahaba worshipped Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. Realize about the ni'mah of Islam. Realize the gift you have in Islam. So in this video, I'm trying to explain in things that can strengthen your faith. There is knowing Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, strengthening your faith about all the three types of Tawheed, Rububiyyah. You get to know that everything that you have, it is from Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. You get satisfied of how you were created. You get satisfied of what you have. You get satisfied in God's names. You get satisfied that only Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala is the one that should be worshipped. Tabaraka alladhi biyadihil mulk wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Blessings belong to Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, the one with that hand of everything. The one tabaraka alladhi biyadihil mulk wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. The one who has power over everything that you see. وَمَا تَشَاءُونَ إِلَّا أَن يَشَاءَ اللَّهُ إِنَّهُ عَلِيمٌ إِنَّ اللَّهَ كَانَ عَلِيمًا حَكِيمًا. Truly, God has that knowledge, and He is with the judgment. Do you get my point out there? Get to know why you were created. الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا. The one that created life and death so that he can test a human being who will do right. So everything you have, it is a test. If you don't have, it is a test. So what you need to do, it is to be patient. Wasta'inu bisabri wassalat. Stick on patience and praying. So if you're to strengthen your faith, you should strengthen all the pillars of Islam. You should strengthen all the pillars of faith, and one pillar of al-ihsaan. Ihsaan means doing something in a right way. Like, an ta'bud Allah ka'annaka tarahu. When you're worshiping God, you know that you're in front of allahu, tabaraka wa taala. That's why I told you should know who is allahu, tabaraka wa taala. Do you get my point out there? So I've talked a lot, but all in all, I've been reminding Muslims out there, strengthen your faith. Get satisfied with everything. Do your ibadah knowing that there is what we call paradise for you. Inna lil muttaqina inda rabbihim jannatun na'im. That those people who fear Allah tabaraka taala, God has prepared the paradise that has everything. Everything. Do you get my point out there? There is paradise, there is hellfire. Taqwa means fear. You fear al-khawf and adhabullah. You fear about God's punishment, and then you bring yourself towards allahu, tabaraka wa taala. So get in touch with us on www.badrukaneza.blogspot.com. Arrows Records and Studios. Best Ramadan for you all Muslims.